Hi, I am Limon and in this video I'll show you how to record audio only in OBS Studio without recording your screen or webcam. If you only want to capture your microphone, desktop audio or both as an audio file, OBS Studio makes it easy. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Click File. Then select Settings. From the left menu, click Output. If your output mode is set to simple, change it to advanced. Now open the recording tab. Under Type, select Custom Output. Next, click the Container Format drop-down menu. Choose MP3 if you want your recording saved as an MP3 audio file. Now look for the video encoder. Change it to disabled. This tells OBS not to record any video, only audio. Before closing the settings, check your recording location. Look at the recording path near the top of the output settings. If you want to save your audio somewhere else, click Browse and choose the folder you prefer. This will make it much easier to find your recordings later. Once everything is ready, click Apply, then click OK. Now let's make sure your audio source is ready. In the audio mixer, confirm that your microphone or desktop audio is responding. Now click Start Recording. Speak into your microphone or play the audio you want to record. When you are finished, click Stop Recording. Open the recording folder you selected earlier. You will find your audio recording saved there as an MP3 or in the audio format you selected. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to record audio only in OBS Studio without recording any video. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.